I appreciate that. And it has evolved massively over the years. And of course, recently now, BlackRock is promoting this and pushing this to all of their, all of their customers. And now I think has the largest holdings of it. And what they say about JP Morgan and BlackRock being arms of the government. So it is starting to get some strange bedfellows. And I appreciate you calling this stuff out because it all needs to be watched. And Circle and Tether are two different animals, but they're both doing something very similar. One is definitely closer to the government than the other. But I didn't know what you were saying about Venezuela. So that's even go ahead.
But yeah, look, everyone can look that up with Venezuela and Circle. There's a lot more there, but I think that's probably a good enough foray into this. But I agree, it does need to be watched. I think even people who are maximalists. The one thing that I would say is we don't yet know what will happen to the promise of free speech money in the form of Bitcoin when Bitcoin is used at scale by governments deemed to be hostile to U.S. interests, which is to say that everyone thought free speech on the internet was a sacred cow, untouchable. It was such a bedrock of U.S. diplomacy. It was the reason that the U.S. military effectively gave up its jurisdiction over the military. The internet started as a DARPA project, and then it was turned over to the National Science Foundation, then made a private sector, civilian, commercial operation, in part because of the utility of a free and open internet to project U.S. soft power abroad. But then what happened as soon as 2014 Crimea kicked off and the unexpected counter coup in eastern Ukraine, and suddenly free speech on the internet was being used by Russian propagandists to swing Ukrainian hearts and minds. Well, then suddenly free speech on the internet, which was untouchable for 2.5 decades, became the number one threat to democracy. Well, what happens right now? The major stable coins are U.S. aligned. They're buying U.S. treasuries. They're being protected by the U.S. Justice Department. Circle, as you mentioned, is formally regulated. Tether has the longest leash I've ever seen of any corporate entity in my entire life. What happens if Russia starts becoming Bitcoin maximalist? What happens if Russia at scale starts to evade sanctions on through the banking sector by pouring, hundreds of billions of dollars of its state treasury into Bitcoin? What's going to happen to the user-to-user capacity to end-run banks using Bitcoin at that point? I think there's a clear case for what's happening at the institutional investor level because of the utility of cryptocurrency to do intelligence work, to prop up the US dollar. I think there's an open question about what's going to happen to the relatively defenseless retail, consumer to consumer, user to user level when you start to see. I don't think it's been tested yet in terms of the threat it poses to the blob. I think that is when the true face of Bitcoin will really be revealed, and whether if it gets shot in the face, so to speak, at a moment like that, is it going to get up and yell, fight, fight, fight? Or is it going to mask off and say, well, actually, we were a front for this all along? I don't know the answer to that. I obviously have my own hopes and desires, but time will tell.
Yeah, it's a great point, and it's a great analogy you make when it comes to freedom of speech online. And I can see a lot of scary parallels there. Especially when it comes to peer-to-peer communication being disrupted by a bigger force because they see it as a weapon being used by others. And that clearly happened with free speech online.
Hey, I know investing in crypto is scary. It takes a real leap of faith because there are so many scams, rug pulls, and bad actors out there. It's a dangerous business, which is why 95% of people lose all their money. Well, that's why I created the London Real Investment Club, so you can access the hottest deals on the planet and use the crypto bull market to create the generational wealth that you deserve. Join my team of over 100 people from around the world that are making millions of dollars behind the scenes investing in blockchain, AI, Web3 games, DeFi, Bitcoin, and more. Don't miss out. Click the link below to book a call with one of my team now. But hurry, this bull market will end soon.
I know investing in crypto can be scary. That's why you gotta join the investment club. Pull the trigger. Let's do this.